All of the organisation, but in particular those three workers, work with women, proceeding from the belief that women are experts in their own lives. We know that women who are criminalised have intimate knowledge about what is needed to create change, both in their own lives and in the system more broadly. Experiences of state violence inside prison, as well as the shame and stigma and criminal record discrimination that can accompany women exiting prison, all of this profoundly shapes the kinds of support that are needed. FLADAD is committed to providing ongoing support to women in the versions that they want, and ensuring the funding and the structure of the organisation allows this. This is ongoing work. For some women have been in the support of the organisation for over 9 years. So as Annie said, we're an abolitionist organisation, which I'm sure brings out lots of questions for people. We do have a poster over there called An End to Prisons, where we tried to encapsulate some of the answers to the questions that we regularly get asked. But I'm going to talk a bit about the term decarceration, which we use to talk about reducing prison numbers. We recognise that women are in prison as a result of complex social issues around homelessness, poverty, drug and alcohol addiction, poor mental health, family violence, childhood spent in state and foster care, racism and inadequate access to services. We consider our work with women to be decarceration one by one, working to increase the length of time women stay outside of prison. As we know, so many people return to prison because of a lack of timely access to critical services, and with funding increasingly going to prisons and policing over community supports and tough on law and order political campaigning, this trend is set to continue. We believe that community organisations and agencies can tangibly impact the lives of criminalised women through the services they provide or deny on the premise of risk management or other forms of criminal record discrimination. Increasingly, both government and non-government welfare services are infused with punitive language and sanctions that in effect extend the carceral space beyond prison walls. So very quickly, because I know that was the time to go. So we try to make sure that we're always doing systemic change work as well as individual support work, and that each support and inform the other. The project I coordinate, the Centre for Human Rights in Prison People, is independently funded by philanthropy and private donations and grassroots fundraising. The project was initiated in the community legal sector in 2007, originally auspiced by the Broombank Melton Community Legal Centre, and it originally was aiming to establish a dedicated prisoners legal service. There's people in this room who've been involved in that project right from the beginning. A prisoners legal service was achieved, but since lost dedicated funding, although there is prison legal advocacy work being done in various community legal centres, including here in Bendigo. Our work at the moment falls into the areas of public profile and systemic advocacy and community education and capacity building. I think I should just stop now, but we run monthly advocacy trainings for people in the sector who are working in the criminal justice space. We try to do publications, community outreach. I don't know how to condense the rest of my talk into 30 seconds, but perhaps we can talk more about that in the panel anyway. So thank you